They have waited for 28 years for closure after their loved ones were killed. Now one Odessa family will have to wait even longer. The heart-wrenching decision handed down by the Texas Court of Criminal Appeals. News West 9 confirmed Michael Gonzales, also known as Spider, will not be put to death next week for the brutal stabbing of an Odessa couple. His stay of execution granted just a couple of hours ago. Tatum Gwynn walks us through how this all came about and how this decision was made. Tatum.
Crystal, I spoke with Spider's attorney Richard Burr right after that stay of execution was granted. He was able to confirm it and walked me through what grounds this stay was granted. Now, you'll remember on Monday, they filed an application to withdraw next week's execution, giving 4 claims to back up that application. Now, the court approved 2 of those claims today. The first is that Gonzales' team says that he's intellectually disabled and could not constitutionally be executed. Now, the second is the claim that the state suppressed or did not disclose all of the evidence in the case. Now, that was enough to halt next week's execution. It is just the latest twist in this near 3-decade-long case. And while Spider will continue to sit on death row even longer, let's take a moment and focus on the family of Manuel and Merced Aguirre. They have been on this nightmare of a legal ride for a long time. Today's order means that they will have to wait even longer for justice. You'll remember Gonzales, he was originally convicted of the Aguirre murders in '95. The Aguirres were found brutally murdered inside of their home a year earlier in April. There have been a number of appeals filed in this case over the past 2 decades, and this now makes the second stay of execution granted for Gonzales. An appeal hearing, by the way, scheduled for tomorrow morning, that has also been canceled. It's the waiting game to see what happens next. Spider, by the way, would have been the first execution of this year, Crystal.